year at our food donation gardens, we're testing out 2 different ways of trellising our tomatoes. We mostly plant indeterminate tomatoes, which means the plant continues to grow throughout the whole season, so they usually outgrow a standard tomato cage. The first method we are using is the string trellis, where we wrap cotton twine around our tomato plants and then tie that twine to some sort of vertical support. In our gardens, we use either bamboo stalks or electrical conduit built into a simple frame. After starting to wrap the twine, we move to using these simple plastic clips to hold the tomato plants to the twine. Our second method is called the basket weave. We plant tomatoes between T-posts and then wrap the tomatoes in a figure 8 pattern with twine. This supports the whole plant between the pieces of twine, and we add another piece of twine about once a week. We're excited to see how our tomato plants grow this year. What's your favorite way to support tomatoes?